Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Wheels and Wheelchairs car show out at the South Point Health Complex in Jacksonville. And this is the car show cam. There were a lot of awesome cars at this event. It was a great event for a good cause. They were trying to bring some cheer to the folks in the medical facility there and showing off the cars and everything. And it was just a nice event. Nice little heartwarming, feel-good event, if you will. So we got to go out to the show. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Right over there.
Yeah. Bouncy house is back there. Right there.
Yep.
Turn left on the South Point Drive South, then turn left.
Oh, that's the only way. Okay, over there. Over there.
Take the next left, then turn right.
Well, I see the one we've always seen. The orange thing. I guess anywhere.
I'll just park over yonder.
Yeah. He ain't watching where he's going. There's the Hulk deal again.
Yep.
There's shade over there.
Come down this one. Yep.
Thank you guys for welcoming us back.
This will be a quick one looking at what was up there.
Yeah.
Which is fine. No complaints from me.
True Vet's out here.
Yeah. Verizon.
They were checking out your scooter.
It is unique. At this point, it's one of a kind.
Yeah.
It's getting rarer. Although supposedly there's another company that makes them.
Yeah.
Be damned if I could find them. Anyway.
So it was on South Point Boulevard.
Well, you do realize there's 20 South Point Boulevards here.
No.
Yeah. It's a maze of South Points.
Yeah.
Because you go down that way, see, that's South Point too.
Yeah. And this is not where we turn to go to the Iceman. It's further down.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like another quarter mile that way.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Wheels and Wheelchairs Car Show out of the South Point Healthcare Facility. It was a great show for a great cause. We went out and showed off our cars for some folks that were at a inpatient healthcare facility, and they got to look at some cool cars, and it was just a good day for a good cause. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.